Find the least number which when divided by 36, 48 and 64 leaves remainder of 25, 37 and 53 respectively. Now, in such kind of questions, so remember this type of wording, you will observe that the difference between the divisor and the remainder is constant in each case. So 36 minus 25, you have 11. 48 minus 37, you again have 11. 64 minus 53, you again have 11. So whenever you find out the difference between the divisor and the remainder is constant, the concept is very simple to find out the number, find out the LCM, and then subtract the common remainder which you have. So now let's first find out the LCM of 36, 48, and 64. Now 36 is 2 square into 3 square. 48 is 2 raised to 4 into 3. And 64 is 2 raised to 6. So therefore, we can say that the LCM, which is nothing but the product of the highest powers of all factors, so will be 2 raised to 6 into 3 square. That is 64 into 9. So 64 into 9 will be 576. Now applying this formula, we will have 576 minus the common remainder, that is 11. So answer will be 565. That is option B.